Okay, good morning everyone. So before we begin, I am requesting everyone to please stand for our prayer. So Mr. Jikimaya, please lead the prayer. Okay, thank you. So now, before you take your seats, kindly arrange your chair at the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now, let's check your attendance first. Who's absent today? Okay, no one. So thank you everyone. Very good. To begin our discussions, let me present to you our classroom standard. Here are our classroom standard. First, please raise your right hand if you want to answer. Second one, avoid unnecessary noise, and then be respectful and be participative. So before I will present to you our new discussions, let's have a short recap first in our previous topic. So, who among you here can still remember our topic last meeting? Yes, Janelle. Okay, very good. So, thank you. So, who among you here can still remember the three phases of matter? Yes, Rochelle. Uh-huh. Very well said. Okay, give Ruch a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, are we clear with our last topic? Okay, thank you. Our topic for today is all about the volcano and its parts. So, here are our learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to first describe the different parts of a volcanoes, and then second, recognize the importance of knowing the different parts of the volcano, and then the last one is illustrate the parts of volcano to diagram. Have you been to this place before? Or have you seen it before? Yes, yeah. So in what particular place in the Philippines can you find these places? Or can you cite some of the volcanoes? Yes, Davao. Very good. So how about this one? Yes, Joel. Exactly. This is Albay. So since elementary, you have heard about volcanoes, right? Yes. So when we say volcano, it is defined as an opening in the earth crust through which lava, ash, and gases erupt. Okay, before anything else, I will divide you into four groups, and with your groups, you are going to answer these crumbled words that I've prepared for you. So each group will be graded according to the rubrics. Are you done? Now let's check your answer. Number one, what do you think is the answer? Yes, Rochelle? Yes, correct. The correct answer is main vent. How about the number two? Yes, lava. The number three? Yes, magma chamber. The number four? Crater. The number five? Ash clouds. Then the last one is magma. Let's know your answer. So, in group 1, what is your score? Okay, 5. All your answers are correct, so I will give you 5. In cooperation, since I can see all the members are cooperated, I will give you 5. And in timeliness, you finish your task before the time, so I will give you 5. And total score of group 1 is 15 points. Congratulations, everyone. So, in group 2, what is your score? Okay, 4. So, in cooperations, I can see that all your members are cooperated, so I will give you 5. In timeliness, you finish your task before the time, so I will give you 5. So, in total score of group 2 is 14. So, in group 3, what is your score? Yes, 5. So, since all your answers are correct, so I will give you 5. And in cooperations, I can see that 2 of your members did not cooperate, so I will give you 4. And in timeliness, I can you finish your task 1 minute or 2 minutes before the time, so I will give you 4. In total score of group 3 is 13. So group 4, what is your score? Okay, 5. So, all you answers are correct. So, I will give you 5. And in cooperation, since I can see that all your members are cooperated, so I will give you 5. Then, in timeliness, you finish your task 2 minutes before the time. So, I will give you 2. Okay? Still, congratulations, everyone. Let's clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. In those words that you've answered earlier, we will use it here in the diagram. So as you can see, we have a empty diagram here. So now, let's label the parts of a volcano accordingly. So I have here the 6 parts of a volcano, and what you're going to do is to place it to where it is belong. Understand? Thank you. So I need 6 representatives to label it respectively. Who wants to go first? Yes, Milan. Very good, thank you. So another one. Charles? Yes. Another one? Yes. Okay, very good everyone. So let's give them a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Thank you for answering. Earlier in your activity, I told you to label the correct parts of the diagram, right? So now, let's discuss the parts of a volcano. So we have here the magma chamber. So what do you think is the magma chamber? Yes, Rasme. Thank you. So very well said. A magma chamber class play a crucial role in volcanic activity. So it serves as the source of eruptive materials during volcanic events. Then, the next one is the lava. So everybody please read. Yes, thank you. So lava is a silicate rock that is hot enough to be in a liquid form expelled from volcano during eruptions. So note class that once the magma reaches the earth's surface, it becomes a lava. Understand? Thank you. Okay, what do you think is the main vent? Yes, Heart, you're raising your hands. Thank you. So a main vent is a central conduit through which magma chamber travel from the magma through its surface during an eruption. So it is a weak point in the earth crust where hot magma chamber and reach the surface. Understand? Thank you. Now let's proceed to the crater. Everybody please read. Thank you. So when we say crater, it is the step wall depressions on the peak of the volcano and volcanic vent. So as you can remember, as you can see in a volcano or in a volcano pictures, diba, at the top of it is the crater. So it is a bowl-shaped depressions or cavity at the summit of a volcano formed by a volcanic activity. So, di ba, nakikita naman ninyo kung ano yung crater. Okay? Understand? Any questions? Okay, no one? No more? Okay, let's proceed to the next. Now, the ash cloud is consisted of small pieces of pulverized rock, minerals, and volcanic glass created during volcanic eruptions. Understand? Okay, thank you. So now, the last one is the magma. So I know everyone here is very familiar with magma, right? Yes, very good. So a magma is a molten rocks below the earth crust. I have a questions for everyone, for all of you. So how do you differ a magma and a lava? Anybody from the group? Yes, Rosemay. You're raising your hands. Okay? Please stand up. Thank you. Yes, very well said. So when a magma erupts through a volcano and it reaches the surface, it becomes a lava. Understand? Thank you. Another questions. What is the importance of knowing the parts of a volcano in our daily lives? Yes, anybody from the group? Who wants to answer? I will give points. Yes, Milen? Okay, thank you. So imagine living near an active volcano. So understanding the parts of a volcano would be crucial for disaster preparedness. And also, by knowing its part, we can have this basic knowledge. And this knowledge will enhance our awareness of potential risk, environmental impacts, and then meaning enhance our safety and enable us to be aware. So, yan lang po yung tatandaan natin na importante yung malalaman natin yung parts ng mga volcano because it enable us to become aware of what will happen in our surrounding. So what will happen in the near future. So at least alam natin kung ano yung mga parts na yon na lumalabas sa volcano. Okay. Understand? Any questions from the group? Now, since all of you have no questions, let's have our quiz. In 1/4 sheet of paper, please choose the correct answer. Are you done? Okay, exchange your paper with your seatmate. Now, let us check if your answers are correct. Number 1, what do you think is the answer? Yes, A. How about the number 2? B. The number 3. Yes, correct. Letter C. How about the number 4? Yes, letter C. And then the number 5? Yes, letter B. Now, who got 5? Thank you. Who got 4? Who got 3? Okay, since none of you got a low score, give yourself a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, thank you so much for listening today. For your assignment, please draw a volcano and label it part. Everybody, please stand. Okay, goodbye, class. Okay, goodbye, everyone.